there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is this really cool rainwear from YEVHEV. This camo jacket and pants set is perfect for cold, wet conditions. Some of our favorite features is that it's very soft, it has a felt liner on the inside, and it's really quiet, which you need for hunting. It also blends in perfectly with your surroundings. This is in the size extra large. It fits comfortably with room to spare, so I would say this is a true to size fit. The design of this is really neat with multiple pockets and ventilation zippers. A really interesting part of this jacket is the back of it. It has a dry zippered area, which is perfect for a phone. Another feature that I have never seen before is the pull strings that actually allow you to tighten the hoodie, which is a great idea for those colder days. The sleeves have adjustable Velcro straps, making it really easy to cinch in. So we're gonna do a little test, and my husband is going to go into the woods, and let's see if you can spot him. And there he is. So if you're wondering if this blends in well with perhaps your surroundings in your area, I would say it really does. We've tried this out in different areas where we live, where there is a different woods, more green or more brown, and it blends in really well. So this is a great camo pattern if you have similar environment to where you live. So overall, I would say 10 out of 10. I couldn't recommend this set enough. And that's my point of view.